Hello my dear students, in last class we already discussed about the estimating or we have to find the nearest round up for the tens, nearest tens and nearest hundreds and nearest 1000. Is it right? So all places. But in this class we have to estimate the sum or difference. Okay, sum or difference between numbers. Okay, see here. This is one example. See here, estimate 5390 plus 18887. Okay, now we have to find their estimate. Okay, sum estimate. So first we have to add these numbers. Okay, so after adding, so before adding, first we have to find their rounding up nearest to 1000. Why we have to find the rounding up nearest to 1000? Because these number having 4 digits, which means the last digit is in the place of 1000 place. Is it right? So now we have to rounding up as nearest to 1000 place. Is it right? So first number is rounded up 5390 is rounded up as 5000. Is it right? See here, 390 is nearest to 0. So that's why 1000 place write as it is and the 3 numbers becomes 0. Is it right? Next number is 18887 is rounded up as this is nearest to 1000 place. Is it right? Next here 18,887 is rounded up as here 887 is nearest to 1000. So that's why the 1000 place now becomes the after 8 1 as it is, and the 1000 place we have to change here 8 to 9. Is it right? So 19,000. Is it right? 19,000 is nearest to 1000 place. Is it right? So now we have to add. These two numbers very easily. Is it right? So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. The next 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 right here and 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So 24,000. Okay. The estimate of sum is 24,000. Is it right? Estimate sum is 24,000. Is it right? So understood how it is? Find the estimation sum. First, we have to round it off these numbers according to their places. Okay, and after that we have to add these rounded up numbers. Okay, now we get automatically our estimate sum or difference. Is it right? So now we have to take another one example. Okay, this is related to difference. Okay, so take another one example in your textbook. Okay, so 5,673 minus 436. Okay, minus 436. This is estimate. We have to find their estimate. Okay, so 5,673 minus 436. Okay, now we have to find Now we have to find or now we have to round it up these numbers up to which place? Up to which place? First we have to round it up till 1000th place. Okay. So 5673 is rounded up as 673. 673 is nearest to 1000. So you have to change the 1000 place. 6000. Is it right? Next 436. 436. Is it right? So it is rounded. Just we have to write rounded up. Okay. Rounded up as so 436. 436 is nearest to 0. Is it right? So rounded up is 0. Is it right? Next here minus 6000 minus 0 is 6000. Is it right? Okay, 6000 is our estimated difference. Okay, this is estimated difference. But the 6000 is not a reasonable estimate. Why? Because the 5673 minus 436. Okay, this real answer is not very closer to 6000. Okay, it is not, it is so far to 6000. So that's why it is not a reasonable estimated. Okay, so now we have to write the rounded up as nearest to 100 place. Is it right? As nearest to 100 place right here. Okay, so 5673 rounded up as so 5000 means 5 as it is, and now we have to change this number. Is it right? So 73 is nearest to 0 or 50. Yes, 73 is nearest to 100. Is it right? Sorry. So 73 is nearest to 0 or 100. 73 is nearest to 100. Is it right? So that's why we have to change this 100 place value. Is it right? So we have to write the next number of this number is 5773. Is it right? Right here, 5773. Next, write 436 rounded up as 36 is nearest to 0 than to 100. Is it right? So that's why the 400 is for the place of 4 is right as it is, and now this number becomes 0. Is it right? Next here, these two numbers also write as 0. Is it right? 5700. 673 is rounded up as 700 nearest to 100. Is it right? Next 436 rounded up as 400 because 36 is nearest to 0 than 200. Is it right? So now we have to find the difference. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, then 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3 and 5. Right as it is. This is 5300. 5300. Now see here. The 5300 is very nearest to this actual answer. Is it right? So that's why this is the perfect estimate. Okay. This is the reasonable estimate. reasonable estimate of difference is 5300. Okay, so we shall stop here. In the next class we have to discuss about to estimate the product. Okay, now we have to discuss only the sum or difference. Okay, in the next class we have to discuss about the estimate. Okay, to estimate the product of the two or more than two numbers. Okay, so we shall start here. Thank you.